Hey everyone, it's 6:45 p.m. on Monday, October 11th, 2021, and right here is a 52-inch antique brass Palm Air oak hugger. And I want to say it was manufactured circa 1985. There's no date on it. And the reason I say 1985 is that the canopy up top was shrunken probably like an inch in diameter for the 1986 onward models. It has the narrower mounting plate. This uses one of the wider ones. Let's see here. Okay. And this is a backlog because I purchased it in January of 2018. And that was like a long time ago. And I finally got to filming it. So, that being said, let's shed a little light on the situation, shall we? There. Yep. You can even see the sticker, what I paid for at Habitat back then. Here's the globe is something I added. Same with the pull chain. It's very patriotic, and I have my heart in it. All the fans I picked up had heart pull chains attached to them, but I think it's kind of cool though. You can see the wooden faceplate right there. There's a blade arm. Nice thick oak blade. It's very grainy. It matches the faceplate quite well. The side band, and the canopy has 3 lug nuts on it that you can tighten with a pair of railroad grip pliers, which I think is the easiest way to do it. I always have a soft spot, for those of you who know me and seen previous videos I did, I have a soft spot for these wood fans. That's what I call them. And they were major childhood fans for me, especially growing up in the 1990s, even the 1980s. Mainly the 1980s when they were most popular. And I know this was purchased at 84 Lumber, brand new, because that was the only store I think I know of that sold this model. And Aircool was the parent company of Palm Air. I think it was the brand unique to and exclusive to 84 Lumber. And the light fitter on it came with it. The fan came just as you see it, minus the globe and the chain. But I decided to leave that globe intact because it has one of those Casablanca, switch housings where you bolt it. It doesn't bolt on the side of the motor, it bolts on the bottom. It's really hard to get a 4-inch light fitter in there. It's really difficult to do so. And let's look for the reverse switch. It's right over there. Alright, we're going to rev the fan up, first on low. Has a hum to it though. But then again, most of these Palm Airs did. I think there was, the first one I had a really bad capacitor on it, so I like that, and I thought I couldn't have that, so once I replaced it, it was quiet, like a hunter, if you will. And this is not one I filmed in an earlier video. That one I traded to another collector. Medium. Starting to feel a bit of an airflow on medium. These Palm Air fans, I mean, they were manufactured in the 1980s. they were good air movers. Up and down. Now let's bump up to high, shall we? This fan's a tornado on high. Back when ceiling fan manufacturers actually had their hearts in the airflow. I mean, most of them. I mean, not to bash anybody today, but you know. Wow, this is a tornado. It's not quite as much as the 100 originals I had in here, but it's very close for something that's a direct drive. Puts out almost as much air as would a stack motor fan. That thing's really cranking it out. And now let's do spin down. It's got a nice rustic look to it. That's what I like about it. I do have another one of these new in the box, which definitely gonna hold on to that. I may offer this one up for trade. Sale or trade. Did kind of shake on high, but that's okay. I mean, I did have to balance the blades on it, so it doesn't do it as much. It's got the bearings are really good on this fan, though, despite the hum to it. But it's look how long it's spinning down. I mean, that's the indication of superior bearings. Okay, folks, fan has ceased operation. This concludes our broadcast day. Thank you for watching. More to come.